Hi guys, this is Module 7, Lesson 9. Today we will solve word problems involving different combinations of coins with the same total value. Hoy vamos a resolver problemas de palabras usando diferentes combinaciones de monedas con el mismo valor total. Okay, so let's review our coins real quick. This is a penny and it's worth 1 cent. Okay, and you can tell because it tells you on the back side it's the smallest coin and it's the only one that's bronze colored. All right, this is a nickel. It's bigger than a penny. It's worth 5 cents. Okay, this is thick too. And on the back, it tells you it's worth 5 cents. Okay, this is a dime. Now, a dime is tricky because it's a little smaller than a nickel. Okay, it's really thin too. It's worth 10 cents. Okay, and the back of it tells you it is a dime. And this is a quarter. It's worth 25 cents. Alrighty, quarters are special because they have an eagle on the back, but the back also changes and can have cool pictures from the different states where they were made. And it tells you it's a $quarter. Okay, so recuerda que las monedas en español no tienen nombres en especial, solamente se llaman por su valor. Así es que el penny en español se llama moneda de 1 centavo porque vale 1 centavo. La nickel en español se llama moneda de 5 centavos porque vale 5 centavos. El dime se llama moneda de 10 centavos y la quarter se llama moneda de 25 centavos. ¿Ok? Así es que vamos a resolver problemas. So our problem today, it says show 2 different ways to make 40 cents. Okay, and for example, all you're doing is just drawing the different coins you would have to make 40 cents. Okay, so aquí vamos a demostrar 2 maneras diferentes de hacer 40 centavos. Y lo que vamos a hacer es que vamos a dibujar las monedas. Okay, so I'm just gonna circle 40 cents so that I know what my total is gonna be. And it's 2 different ways. So guys, today it's for you to be creative, okay? So for example, I know that we have pennies worth 1 cent, nickels worth 5 cents, dimes worth 10 cents, and quarters worth 25 cents, okay? So you can use whatever coin you want as long as your total is 40 cents. And you have to do it 2 different ways, okay? So for example, I know that if I skip count by tens, I can get to 40, so I can draw dimes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 10. So here are my dimes. Remember guys, to draw your circle and the value inside, okay? So here I have 10, 20, 30, 40. I have 40 cents. Okay, so aquí tengo 10, 20, 30, 40 centavos, okay? So esa es una manera de hacer 40 centavos. Okay, another way you can make 40 cents. All right, maybe you want to skip count by 5s. Alrighty, because you know that skip counting by 5s, you can also get to 40 cents. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to draw nickels until I get to 40 cents. So I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And my total is 40 cents. Okay? If you want to take it a step further, okay, you can say 8 nickels, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 nickels makes 40 cents. Okay, and up top it would be 4 dimes make 40 cents. Okay, and there are so many ways to do it, okay? You could have also drawn 40 pennies, okay? You could have used a quarter and nickels and dimes, okay? There are many ways to get to 40 cents. I just want you to show me 2 of them, okay? So let's try another one. So aquí Estas son dos maneras que puedes hacer 40 centavos, ¿ok? Usando 4 monedas de 10 centavos o 8 monedas de 5 centavos. También podrías haber dibujado 40 monedas de 1 centavo o una moneda de 25, una de 5 y una de 10, ¿ok? Hay diferentes maneras, pero solo necesito que me enseñes dos, ¿ok? So this one says, show 2 different ways to make 67 cents. Demuestra dos maneras diferentes de hacer 67 centavos. So same thing, guys. I'm going to circle 67 cents so that I know what my total is going to be. Alrighty, and I know 67 cents is kind of a big number, so I'm going to try to use quarters this time. Okay, voy a tratar de usar monedas de 25 centavos para llegar más rápidamente a 67. So let's try it out. I can use 1 quarter, that's 25 cents. If I have another quarter, how much do I have now? I have 25 plus 25 is, now I have 50 cents. Okay, so I have 50 cents. I'm trying to get to 67. If I add another quarter, that's too much. That's 75 cents. So if I have 50, maybe let's try adding some dimes. So I could do plus 10 is 60. Now I'm going to try adding a nickel. Plus 5 is 65, and I'm so close. 66, 67. Now I have 67 cents. Alrighty, and that's it. You can show me a different way. Okay, so now let's try it a different way. Maybe, okay, and think about it. All of these coins, you can rearrange. For example, if I have a quarter, I could, instead of this quarter, draw 25 pennies. Or instead of this quarter, I could draw 2 dimes and a nickel. Okay, so what if I replace my quarters with dimes and nickels? So let's do that. So instead of using a quarter first, I'm going to draw 2 dimes and a nickel. So that's 25 cents. And then instead of my second quarter, I'm going to draw another 2 dimes and a nickel. And that's 50 cents. Okay, I have 50 cents. Now you could draw the same thing that you did before. So I have 50 cents. Now I'm going to draw a dime, so that's 60. A nickel, that's 65. 66. And 67 with 2 pennies. Okay? And that's it. You could have also done it a different way, maybe. So let's do one more way. So this is 67 cents. Okay. Maybe you want to use all dimes. So you could have done 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and a nickel, 65, 66, 67. Okay, there are so many ways to get to your total. As long as you have the correct total, it doesn't matter what type of coins you use. Alrighty. So aquí en este de arriba usé 2 monedas de 25, una de 10, una de 5 y 2 de 1 para llegar a 67. Aquí en esta de abajo, en lugar de dibujar una moneda de 25, dibujé 2 de 10 y una de 5 porque es 25. En lugar de esta moneda de 25, igual dibujé 2 de 10 y una de 5. Así es que ahí tengo 10, 20, 25, 35, 45, 50. Luego 60, 65, 66, 67. ¿Ok? Con tal de que mi total sea 67 centavos, no importa cuáles monedas uso. Acá abajo usé puras de 10 y luego el de 5 y 2 de 1. Así es que tengo 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66, 67. ¿Ok? Con tal de que tu total sea correcto, no importa las monedas que uses. ¿Ok? Try this one out by yourselves, guys. So it says, show 2 different ways to make 80 cents. Alrighty, so pause the video, try to come up with 80 cents, 2 different ways, and then push play and we can check. Maybe we'll have the same ones, maybe we'll have different coins, okay? Demuestra 2 maneras diferentes de hacer 80 centavos. Así es que a lo mejor vamos a tener la misma o a lo mejor vamos a tener diferentes opciones. Así que pausa el video, hazlo y luego regresas a revisar tu trabajo. So, for 80 cents, one way you could have shown 80 cents was drawing 8 times. So, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 cents, okay? So that's one way of showing 80 cents. A different way you could have shown 80 cents. Let's start with some quarters. So I'm going to do 25 plus another 25 is 50. Plus another 25 is 75. I'm so close to 80 cents. I'm going to try a nickel now. And now I have 80 cents. Okay. You could have also drawn 80 pennies, but that would have taken a super long time, okay, to draw 80 pennies. You could have also done all nickels, or maybe 2 quarters and 3 dimes. You could have done this, 2 quarters, 25 plus 25 is 50, 60, 70, 80, okay? So many different ways to make 80 cents. Remember, as long as you have 80 cents in total, it doesn't matter what coins you use. Okay, so aquí podías haber usado 8 monedas de 10 para llegar a 80 centavos, o 3 monedas de 25 y una de 5 para llegar a 80 centavos, porque aquí tienes 25, 50, 75 y 80. O a lo mejor 2 de 25 y 3 de 10. Aquí tienes 25, 50, 60, 70, 80. Con tal de que tu cantidad sea la misma, no importa cuáles monedas usas, okay? So for your exit ticket, guys, all right, you're going to show your work in your notebook, take a picture and submit to your portfolio. Make sure you draw the coins, okay? I want to see the coins just like we did here, okay? The circle and the value inside. Alrighty. So your work is show 2 different ways to make 88 cents, okay? If you want to show me 3 or 4 different ways, that's super great, but you only need to show me 2, okay? Take a picture and then submit to your portfolio. So vas a demostrar tu trabajo en tu cuaderno, toma una foto y la entregas a tu portfolio, okay? Asegúrate que dibujes las monedas y demuestres tu trabajo, okay? So las monedas son el círculo y la cantidad, el valor adentro, okay? Vas a demostrar 2 maneras diferentes de hacer 88 centavos. ¿Ok? Si quieres demostrarme 3 o 4 maneras, está bien, pero solo tienes que hacer 2. ¿Ok? See you tomorrow.